Okay everybody, this is a quick video for class on Thursday at 11 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. This is what I want you to do. Now, to date, we've been working on assignment number 2 for communications and employability. And that deadline is next week. So remember, we're not leaving it to the last minute, we're getting stuff in. Alright? Task 1 was a poster on the principles of effective communication. Task 2 was the group work document of the potential barriers and then discussing the potential barriers. Number 3 is the video of you presenting your presentation, and to date I have about 5 or 6 of them, but I need more. And task 4 was a booklet on how to reduce the impact of communication barriers. Alright, so the barriers you identified in task 2, this is how do you reduce the impact of them. And we've discussed this numerous times. So task 1 is a P2. Task 2 is P3 and task 3 is P4, so they're very important to get them in. And task 4 then is M1. Now there is a number of people who have this all done, and I would be expecting I'd be expecting all of you to have that completed for me by the end of class on Thursday. Alright, for those of you that are done, I want you to make a start then on assignment number 3. And it's very simple, it's just filling out a table. This will be evidenced through your use of IT tools to support communication. So Brenda wishes to employ people who can demonstrate proficiency in the use of various IT tools. So to showcase that you can confidently use a range of IT tools, you're asked to produce evidence of this in this unit or other units or any other means maybe in the past. Alright, now I've emailed you out this document, and it is a table. P5, use IT tools to aid communication, and I need you to put your name in the header there. And these are the tools in which I think you've used. Alright, Padlet, email, internet search engines, spreadsheets, word processing, in particular using the caption option to put in references, and using SmartArt to represent communication cycles. So put in some evidence if you're doing there. Alright, or any other SmartArt, or it doesn't have to be SmartArt. This bit can be changed to add in a table if you've added in a table somewhere. Alright, so probably have more likely one that you'll be using. So I'll change that to table. Presentation tools, which is PowerPoint. A database. Maybe some programming if you've done programming in the past, or maybe doing it yourself. Photoshop, we've done that. Animation software, we should have started doing simple animation software. Online gaming communication, if you're an online gamer, whether that's Xbox, PlayStation, or PC, you would have used an IT tool there to communicate online. Social media messaging such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Microsoft Publisher, video recording, using Canvas. That could be for uploading Turnitin. And Blackboard Collaborate, which is our online video which we use for class. Alright, so what do you do with it? You've used these tools. Screenshot of you actually using them, and description of how and where you use them, e.g. coursework, home, work, etc. Now this is the basic ones that I'm giving you. If you can think of any more that you've used in the past or presently, you then add in another row and along this table and do it there. Okay, but these are the ones you should be using. So this has been emailed to you, and everybody will have to do it at some point because this is task 1 of assignment number 3 for communication and employability skills. It's filling out that IT tools table. Then we're going to move on to task 2 and 3 and 4 in due course. Okay, So hopefully you all get that okay. Now, just actually in case you get that far, because there is some people flying on ahead. Alright, but we will come to this is task 2, which is another P. Alright? More or less to demonstrate you have a skill to produce many clients that you'll work for will have a non-technical background. So we've created user guides already. Alright? So we're going to create another user guide, but this user guide is for a non-technical person. Alright? A non-technical person. The guide should be suitable for a non-technical and non-specialist audience. The guide should be clear and concise and appropriately illustrated, and it should produce in line with effective communication techniques. Now, usually I would get you to create a new user guide on, showing someone how to use email or PowerPoint or Outlook. You have already created a user guide. Remember, for computer systems, it's very important. So it means you're not redoing a piece of work. So use that one, but make sure it's for a non-technical user. So if you've done that user guide on how to set up a PC, RAM, and antivirus, copy and paste it into assignment 3 for task 2, and make sure it looks perfect and it's for a non-technical audience. That's important, all right? Because you're going to get somebody in to market. So if you get this far in communication, my God, you are flying. So to recap, for Thursday, 11 o'clock, and we'll have fun. Get me everything that's assignment 2. So I'm putting in that interim deadline by Thursday, the 12th of November. The interim deadline is all 4 tasks, or at least the three past tasks. And then on assignment 3, doing the table for IT tools. And then for task 2 for assignment 3, bringing across your user guide for computer systems for a non-technical user, how to set up a PC, install RAM and antivirus. If you have any questions, I'll have my phone on me all day. Alright, so actually, tomorrow morning, come in logged into the class at 11 o'clock. I'll be there to get you started because my appointment or my meeting is into 12. So I'll not be leaving house till 11:30. So we'll get a half-hour work. Alright? Any questions, you email me or message me. Thank you.